I think any successful effort at scale is going to be a combination of solutions. Today's solution, which include septic tank, sewer system, alternative to sewer system, and a number of innovative sanitation systems, which I believe will grow over time. What we saw before was current sanitation systems were not designed to remove pathogen in the waste stream, and because of that, children get sick, and we have today still, unfortunately, about 300,000 children dying every year because of lack of sanitation. There are 3.5 billion people without access to safe sanitation system. The UN Development Goal set a target for universal access for safely managed sanitation. And I want to emphasize the word safely. And that word was adopted in the definition of the target because the community realized having a sanitation system does not mean that you're removing the pathogens. Does not mean that you would necessarily guarantee public health safety. So sanitation system need to be managed from end to end, whether you have a pit latrine, a septic tank, a sewer system, end to end, to really ensure that the pathogen doesn't come in contact with a user, with a community, with the operators. If we want to protect public health, which most of today's systems are not doing, these machines should be treating waste on site. So the basic principle was, if I'm happy in Seattle using a flush toilet, and my family are happy using a flush toilet, if it is a Reinvented toilet, it should have the same feature. It should be clean, there should be no pathogen, there should be no smell, and it should be cost effective for anyone to buy that. System data compliance to ISO 30500 are by default designed to be the most efficient system today to remove pathogens. The standard is set in a way that water can be reused for flushing without creating any risk for the user, for the operators. I see this machine contributing in many ways. The Gate Foundation will call it a Reinvented toilet, but it's more than that. It can recycle the entire wastewater of a family and make that high quality water available for flushing. This is reducing significantly the water bill for families. If you are a utility and a community, a number of households are not using water for flushing anymore or have capability of reusing water, the amount of drinkable water available to extend access to many others become incredible. So you have augmented capacity to reach more community with drinkable water because your sanitation system, the new sanitation system you're introducing, can actually help you provide more drinkable water to other communities. If you are in a country where you don't have sewer system necessarily, or you have water scarcity, this system can actually help resolve or build resilience of communities as well. And the way it can achieve that is simply allowing new construction, new estate programs to be developed in areas where cities would not necessarily expand because there's no water supply, there's no sanitation system, or the sewer system has reached its maximum capacity, and there's no way you can actually connect any new home or any new building to an existing sewer system. I see this system really helping to solve today's major climate challenge issues cities are having, utilities are facing. At the same time, it's also well designed for any community who does not have access to sewer system.